Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Winning with Ryan. My name is Jacob Beaver. I'm a trader and market analyst. So, we are going to go over the XRP false ETF news. So, this ETF has not been removed. So, speculation continues that it could be true because of this. Now, I was just looking at some articles today and says wanted to go over this real quick, and then we'll look at the XRP charts. By the way, none of this is financial advice. This is for educational, recreational purposes only. This report says Bloomberg analyst says someone is crapping their pants after fake BlackRock XRP ETF. Early this week, the price of XRP surged and dumped in a crazy few hours after it appeared that BlackRock had filed for a spot ETF to track the crypto asset. However, the news was eventually discovered false, with BlackRock publicly denying such plans. The matter, however, is not over, as authorities appear intent on discovering how the bogus file ended up on the official state Delaware website. Director of the Policy and Communications at Delaware Secretary of State's Office, Ronnie Baltazar Lopez. They always have the craziest names on here. But told Bloomberg that officials have referred the matter to the Department of Justice. So this is why they're saying that, this person, whoever did this, is probably crapping their pants. So although it remains to be seen whether an investigation ensues, Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas believes that whoever is behind the fake filing is already crapping their pants. Upon discovering the matter has been reported to the Department of Justice. So, I'm not going to take a whole lot of time here, just wanted to point this out. The latest on the fake XRP ETF filing. Our only comment is that this matter has been referred to the Delaware Department of Justice. The spokesman for Delaware Department of State said, "Damn, someone's out there crapping their pants as we speak." So, a little bit further down, iShares XRP Trust still available on Delaware government website. So, it's still there. A reference of the matter to the Delaware Department of Justice and BlackRock's own confirmation that it has not filed the XRP ETF appears to provide sufficient reason to believe such a move is not on the radar for the fund manager. Yet, many wings of XRP enthusiasts who hope for the rumor to be true have pointed out that the listing is still available on the Delaware government website. Even though it is now almost 2 days since the news, the listing still remains at the time of writing. Excuse me. A permanent deletion might perhaps be considered conclusive evidence and maybe what is required to extinguish any hope that BlackRock would file for XRP ETF soon. In the meantime, the fund manager seems keenly interested on winning approval for its Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETF first and may expand. So this is right here. It may expand to the rest of the crypto space as the industry evolves. So that they included this. So it's kind of like I'm seeing this as, well, they're not absolutely saying no that this is not something that they are considering, because they are obviously considering to expand to the rest of the crypto market. So let's take a look at the charts. This is another reason why I wanted to get on here and go over this, is because, we're getting a match here. So this channel was looking for a retest to come down here, posted this in the Ripple group. If y'all didn't get it, it's because it was blocked. So I'm going to post this video. A lot of the content that we're putting in there is getting blocked. So if you want to make sure and catch all the news, follow the channel, Win with Ryan, or follow us at Trading Success Forex. I'll recommend both if you're in the XRP group and you want to get information on other crypto projects and other things like the S&P, Forex, indices, commodities, gold, silver, things of that nature. Make sure and hit the like button and subscribe and follow us on Facebook if you're wanting to be more informed on this stuff, because a lot of this content for everybody that sees this in the XRP group is not going through. So anyways, the reason why I wanted to get on was because I was looking for a retest down here. I was looking ideally, so it was like right here when posted it, would ideally be looking for a miss right here, the trend. That's what I was looking for. And then possible break through this resistance. So this resistance right here at 64,134, you know, it's pretty good resistance, as we can see. I say pretty good, I mean it's pretty distinct. You know, we've had several rejections here. This was a break of structure. So we had consolidation, breach of structure, consolidation, and then we had a breach of structure for this portion of consolidation. But overall, remaining the broader picture is that this structure and the market sentiment being bullish previous, these technically, and it's hard to know what the fundamentals are right now, what the real fundamentals are. So with that being said, just going off of technicals, this pattern coming into a support. So we have a descending channel coming into the basically 60 cent support area down here at the bottom of it for the hour. I guess I would say the bottom of the top. The other bottom is like right here, so let's get that on here. Here. So down around 58. This will be the bottom of that support. Around 58.7, 58 cents, a little over 58.5 cents. Okay, but so we hadn't got there yet. This pattern is showing a weakening in selling. A weakening in selling. And so normally, I say normally, the majority of the time, this will resume trend. Not saying it's going to, you know, something else that happened while we were immediately after this is that Bitcoin went down to like 30, I think it was 34K or something like that. 33 maybe. So there was a sharp drop in Bitcoin also. Just take a look at that real quick. We're already back up at 36 on Bitcoin. We came down to also to 34.7. So there was also a sharp drop in Bitcoin immediately after this. To me, just looking at this spike here and spike here, we had, this is clearinghouse. You know, we're collected a lot of orders here. So I mean liquidity. So we know that we're liquid. The people that are moving the market, their pockets may be satisfied here to go for another move. We'll just have to wait and see. But this looks, just looking at this from a technical standpoint, this is obvious manipulation. Okay, we took out this low here. Just wondering if we're going to come down and maybe take out these. Also, another possibility, just real fast while we're on the chart, this area from 33.33 down to 30, basically 30K down here. There's some big gaps right here. So, you know, when we come down and close these gaps up, are we going to go back down to 30K, or are we going to continue for Bitcoin? Let me know what you think in the comments. So we didn't get the retracement yet, and I saw this as a potential option. Now, could we come up here and then come down here and go up? We'll just have to wait and see. So still keeping this in mind. What I'd be looking for down here is if we come back down to 61 cents and we don't hit the trend because of this 1 hour support, and we get a lower, or a not, we fail to get a lower low this time in this consolidation, that would be evidence to me. And if we got a pattern right here and actually cross this resistance after a retest and a miss, that would bring a high conviction for it to break out the top again. Not really counting this because, you know, that was obviously manipulation. But so these are the main support and resistance looking at for intraday. So basically just looking for a break here. You can see that we have seen a little bit of selling up here. Let's go into a smaller time frame and let's look at this price action. So we also had another break here, and again, this is just the 15-minute, but we had a break here. So we had, and this is kind of what looking for on what we were just talking about. We had a slight break right here, but if you draw a trend right here, this is probably how I should do it, like this. This is not, but looking at this right here, just real fast, this failure to set down at the supporting trend on this rising channel, and we broke structure on this time frame. And again, this is the 15-minute, so you know we broke this structure here, boom, right here. So we had a break of structure on this point. So this would be a ascending and ascending triple bottom, you know, 4 bottoms. But let's take this over here and look at it like this. So we're going to use another method to come up, not another method, but another perspective to come up with something that would make more sense. We are right here on the center of the channel. So, and you can see, we'll zoom out a little bit so you can see the channel and how it's been respecting the center. You can see here, here, both sides here, there, these two. So if you follow this up, you can see that it has been respecting the center of this channel. Wick, tops, tops, okay, wick, quick breach down. So this is a significant point. So we have broken the center of the channel now, and it looks like this might be another little consolidation period. You know, will remain bullish. We break up over this, maybe get a couple rejections and go up, or is this, let's look at this from a bearish perspective real quick and then we'll get out of here. Just wanted to get on real fast and go over this because this is kind of like at a, technically this is at pretty crucial point, this white resistance and center channel. So if we were just going to look at this like, you know, a channel, which, you know, this technically, you could look at it like this too. Obviously you can look at it however you want, but this is, looking at it this way, this is not a confirmed trend, but they're still holding these boundaries. If we got a drop below here, this supporting trend and the center trend again down to here, then this is the area going to be watching right here. It looks like we could do that. This is a pretty heavy, or a pretty strong resistance, just considering the timeline. So looking at it like this, it does look like that's a possibility. This is a common move right here. Let me shrink this down a little bit. This is a common move to come out of the top of, because normally this is a bearish formation. So and this happens a lot of times. So we'll get, it's also a very popular move. So you get a bearish formation, a rising wedge into resistance. We get a pump up to collect liquidity to trigger buyers, also for people that were going short. So we get boom, retest this, and then you get, if we come back down here, going to be watching this for a possible double bottom. If not, I'll be looking for a double top or something down here. Maybe nothing, maybe just a straight drop. So, just keeping an eye on Bitcoin, the news today. We're going to be starting to cover foreign exchange market and the indices and commodities. So if you're a Forex trader or aspiring to be, let us know in the comments if there's a particular coin or project or investment that you would like for us to go over and cover on the channel. Then just reach out, let us know, or drop a comment if you have any questions. If you're in the XRP group seeing this, as well as the Trading Success Forex page, and we will get to you as soon as we can. Hope that y'all are having a good day so far. Hope that you have a great rest of the week, and we will holler at y'all later. See ya.